Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get a USD account number in Wise. First, log in to your Wise account on the app or website. Go to Balances, and if you don't already have a USD balance, click Open a Balance and choose US dollars. Once it's created, Wise will instantly generate your virtual USD account details. This includes an account number and a routing number, just like a regular American bank account. You can use these details to receive US dollar payments directly, whether it's from clients, marketplaces, or even friends and family in the States. Money sent to this account goes straight into your Wise balance, where you can hold it, convert it to other currencies, or withdraw it to your local bank. The great part is that you don't need a physical US address to get these details. Wise makes it accessible from anywhere. And that's it. That's how you get your USD account number in Wise and start receiving US dollars with ease. Subscribe the channel for more videos.